Students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be doing our 12th chapter, that is Profit and Loss of Standard 6 Maths. Okay, Profit and Loss एक बहुत ही आसान चैप्टर है which we can make out by just seeing the figures. Okay, फिगर्स देख के हमको पता चल सकता है कि ये वाले सम में हमको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस. बस हमें जो कैलकुलेशन करना होता है वो इस बात का होता है कि कितना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है एंड कितना लॉस हो रहा है. ओके, that's it, that's the thing which we have to find out and then the sum will get over. Okay, तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दिया है इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक दैट देर इज़ अ पाव भाजी वाला एंड देर इज़ अ भेलपूरी वाला. ओके, दे बोथ आर रनिंग द स्टोर्स इन अ फेयर इन अ मेला. ओके, and what is happening that they are first investing. We always first invest in our business. हम पहले पैसा लगाते हैं and then we buy things and we make things and then we sell it. Okay, we sell it for a higher price, और जब हम उसे एक हायर प्राइस पर बेचते हैं तो जो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा आता है वो हमारा क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट होता है. सपोज इफ़ वी आर मेकिंग अ शॉप और अ ट्रॉली ऑफ शॉर्मा. ओके, we buy chicken for 10 rupees, we buy that rolls for 10 rupees, we buy vegetables for 10 rupees. Okay, so we are buying things for 30 rupees and we are selling that shawarma for 40 rupees. Okay, so 10 rupees is our profit which we are getting extra. Okay, so first we have to buy things, that is first we have to invest money and then we have to sell it and gain the profit. Okay, so here you all can see that this boy is very sad and this girl is very happy, so we will find out why. Okay, डिटेल्स ऑफ प्रणव शॉपिंग फॉर हिज स्टॉल. ओके, इसका जो स्टॉल है पाव भाजी का स्टॉल है और इसका जो स्टॉल है वो भेलपूरी का स्टॉल है. ओके, ही बॉट वेजिटेबल फॉर 70 रुपीज़, बटर फॉर 25, ब्रेड फॉर 45, मसाला फॉर 14 एंड अदर मिसलिनियस, जो भी थैली और कागज़ वो सारी चीज़ें ही बॉट फॉर 20 रुपीज़. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वाज हिज टोटल? हिज टोटल वाज 0, 5, 10, 14, 4, 1 carry, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 17. 174 rupees was his total. Okay, the total amount Pranav gained through his sales was 160 rupees. Okay, now what was the price he invested? He invested 174 rupees and he got only 160 rupees. Okay, so you all can see that why he is sad, because he invested 174 but gained 160, so he is 14 rupees in loss. That is, he invested more money and gained less money, therefore he is in loss. So this was his purchase price and this was his selling price. Okay, if purchase price is greater and selling price is less, then we know that there is a loss. Okay, now why she is very happy, let's see. Details of Sarita's shopping for her stall. Plate she bought for 20 rupees, spoons 10, chutney 30, puffed rice 50, onion 20 and miscellaneous 60. Okay, so what was her expense? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 2 13 and 13 plus 6 19. So rupees 190 was her purchase. Okay, she did the shopping for her stall for rupees 190 and gained rupees 230. Okay, now we can see that here purchase price is less and selling price is more. Okay, so if selling price is more and purchase price is less, we know that we have gained profit. But how much profit? We will subtract 130 by 90, that is 40 rupees. She is 40 rupees in profit and he is 14 rupees in loss. Okay, that's why he is sad and that's why she is happy. Okay, I hope you all understand the concept. We just have to understand the purchase price and the selling price. Okay, profit and loss. Selling price is less than the cost price, there is a loss. Loss is how cost price and minus selling price is. If cost price, we can write it as CP, is greater than SP, selling price, then there is a loss. If selling price is greater than CP, then there is a profit. Always remember this. This box you have to write it in your book on the very first page. This will help you throughout the chapter. Okay. Let's see the practice set 31. The first question. The cost price and the selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was profit or a loss. How much? ठीक है. First वाला CP is how much? 4,500. SP is how much? 5,000. Okay. Now we know that if selling price is greater than cost price, then there is a profit. How much profit? Selling price minus cost price, that is 5,000 minus 4,500, that is 500 rupees. So we will be writing there will be profit of 500 rupees. I have less space over here, so I am just writing P. You will have to write profit, okay, full. Next is CP is how much? CP is 4100 and SP is how much? 4090. We can see that CP is greater than SP, therefore here there is a loss. So CP minus SP will be what? 4100 minus 4090, that is 10. So there will be loss of 10 rupees. Let's go for the third sum. Cost price is equal to 700 and selling price is equal to 799. So selling price is greater and cost price is smaller. So selling price minus cost price will be what? 799 minus 700, that is 99. So here there is a profit of 99 rupees. Okay, and here also we can see that selling price is less, cost price is more, so there is a loss of 80 rupees. Okay, so you have to solve like this and show and then fill up the table. Okay, let's go for the next sum. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for 3,000 rupees. If shopkeeper is buying for himself, then it is called as the cost price. Okay, so the cost price is how much? Rupees 3,000. You have to make this sign. This is ru. Okay, the ra which we make in our Hindi, that's it. Okay, 3,000 is the cost price and selling price is how much? Selling price is 3,400 rupees. Okay, so how much was his profit? We know that if selling price is greater than cost price, then we have gained a profit. Selling price minus cost price is equal to 3,400 minus 3,000, that is 400. Profit of 400 rupees. Okay, so you all have to write in the full form that the shopkeeper gained a profit of rupees 400, like this. Okay, let's go for the next. Sunanda Bai bought milk for rupees 475. She converted into yogurt and sold it for 700. Okay, so cost price of milk. How much was the cost price of milk? 475. Selling price of the yogurt. Okay, अब योगर्ट बनाने में कितना खर्चा हुआ वो सब नहीं बताया हुआ है, बट शी bought the milk and she made it yogurt and she sold it for 700. So we know that SP is greater than CP, then we have occur a profit. SP minus CP will be what? 700 minus 475, that is nothing but your 225. Okay, so rupees 225 is your profit. So we will be writing Sunanda Bai gained a profit of 225 rupees. Okay, let's go for the fourth sum. The Jijamata Women's Saving Group bought raw material worth rupees 15,000 for chaklis. Okay, so cost price of chakli is equal to how much? 15,000. They sold the chaklis for 22,050 rupees. Okay, selling price of chaklis is how much? 22,050. Okay, this is the selling price. How much profit did WSG make? WSG means women selling group. Okay, so selling price is greater than cost price, therefore we have made a profit. For how much profit? We will be subtracting CP SP minus CP, that is 22,050 minus 15,000. Okay, so our answer will be 7,250. Sorry, 7,000. Yeah, we will be subtracting 0,507. Okay, 7,050, 7,050 rupees itself. Okay, so the WSG made a profit of 7,050 rupees by selling chaklis. Okay, fifth sum, Pramod bought 10 benches of methi green for rupees 400. Okay, he bought 100 bunches. Okay, so cost price of 100 bunches of methi is how much? 400 rupees. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcart got spoiled. Okay, ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि उसमें से 30 bunches जो है वो क्या हो गए, उसके खराब हो गए. ठीक है, so we have to first find out how much is for the one bunch. Okay, so cost price of one bunch of methi is how much? 400 upon 100, that is 4 rupees. Okay, so cost price of one bunch was 4 rupees. 30 bunches got destroyed. Okay, 30 bunches got destroyed. Okay, so 30 into 4, that is rupees 120. 120 रुपीज़ का उसको क्या हो चुका है? ऑलरेडी नुकसान हो चुका है. बट ही सोल्ड द रेस्ट एट 5 रुपीज़. ओके, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 70 बंचेस है ना. सॉरी, कितने ख़राब हुए थे? 30. हाँ, 30 ख़राब हुए थे तो 70 बचे है ना. तो 70 बचे तो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 70 बंचेस विल बी हाउ मच? 70 into 5, बिकॉज ही सोल्ड वन एट 5 rupees. Okay, so he will get rupees 350. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to see that if he got the methi at how much rupees? 400 rupees. Okay, out of 400 rupees, selling price was how much? 350 rupees. Okay, so he bought for 400 and sold for 350. बट इफ़ दिस वॉज नॉट हैपेंड. ओके, अगर उसकी जो 30 बंचेस है वो ख़राब नहीं होते तो उसको प्रॉफिट होता, क्योंकि एक उसने 4 रुपये में ख़रीदा था एंड ही सोल्ड एट 5 रुपीज़. बट बिकॉज हिज 30 bunches got destroyed, his selling price was 350 rupees. So here we can see that selling price is less than cost price. Therefore, we have gained a loss. And how much loss? Selling price, cost price minus selling price, that is 400 minus 350, that is 50 rupees. So he suffered a loss of 50 rupees. Okay, so Pramod suffered a loss of 50 rupees. ये हमको लिखना है. ठीक है, जब भी हम प्रॉफिट लिखेंगे तो गेन वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, एंड लॉस होगा तो गेन नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, लॉस होगा तो हम सफ़र यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, क्योंकि सफ़र मतलब कि झेलना, लॉस झेलते हम, और गेन यानी हम प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं. ठीक है. 6. Sharath bought 1 quintal of onion for 2,000 rupees. Okay, now what do you mean by 1 quintal? 1 quintal means 100 kg. Okay, so 100 kg of onion, CP of 100 kg of onion is how much? 2,000 rupees. Later he sold all the rate for 18 per kg. Okay, now selling price of 1 kg onion is how much? 18. So selling price of 100 kg onion will be how much? 18 into 100. Okay, so 1800. Okay, but he purchased at 2000 rupees and now he sold at 1800. Did he make a profit or loss? He made a loss. We can clearly see that because selling price is greater than cost price is greater than selling price, therefore loss. Selling price minus cost price minus selling price is how much? 2000 minus 1800, that is rupees 200. Okay, he occurred a loss of 200 rupees. Okay, let's go for the last sum. That is, Kantabai bought 25 saris from wholesale merchant for rupees 10,000. Okay, so we will be writing cost price of 25 sari is equal to 10,000 rupees. Okay, and sold them at 460 each. Okay, selling price of one sari is how much? Rupees 460. Okay, so selling price of 25 sari will be how much? 460 multiplied by 25, right? So what we will be doing? We will be multiplying. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, 23, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 9. Okay, 0 0 5 1. 11500 is your selling price. We can see that selling price is greater than cost price, therefore she had gained a profit. Okay, selling price minus cost price is equal to 11500 minus 10,000 rupees, that is 1500 rupees of profit. Okay, so here Kantabai gained a profit of 1500 rupees. Here we have finished our first practice set of profit and loss. I hope you all have understood everything which I have taught. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप नीचे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप एक न्यू व्यूअर हैं तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द स्मार्ट बॉक्स.